Let's find x. We got equal. First step, we put the equal. And we look at the x. Here's x and here also got x. We look for the bigger x. 5x and negative 2x. 5 is bigger. So we choose the 5. We send the negative 2 here. The same time, here we want x. Here we do want the number. The number here is 3. We send the 3 go there. So 3 goes there. So here will be 5x, negative 2x. Come here, become positive 2x. And 10 we maintain here. Positive 3 goes there, become negative 3. So you solve it. 5 plus 2, 7x. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 and x times. Go there, divide. X equals to 7 over 7, answer 1. X is over here. Over here we have 3 numbers. We got 5, 3 and 2. Who to send first? If 5 to send, 5 sticking together x is a close friend, cannot disturb it. 3 is far, but 2 is locking both of them. Can you see? 2 is locking both of them. So the first step, we send the 2. 2 is over. Over means divide. Divide go there, times. So 10 times 2. And over here we write the balance. 5x plus 3. 10 times 2, 20. We write back 5x plus 3. Now, to send, we got 3 and 5. We send 3 first, because 3 is far from 5. So, send there. 20 plus 3, go there, become minus 3. 5x. 20 minus 3, 17. 5x. 5 and x times, go there, divide. Clear? Let's find x. The first step, we put the equal. Then look at here, 2, negative 4 and 6. First we send the 6, because 6 is locking both of them. 6 divide, go there, become times. But here got 2 people, so the 6 will times with both of them. So 6 times x, 6x. 6 times 2 plus 12. We write back the balance, 2x minus 4. And in this question, we have to look for the bigger x. There's 6x, here's 2x. 6 is bigger. So we choose the 6. So we send the 2 go there. We send the 12 come here. Why? Because we want the x here, the numbers here. So 6x. 2x plus. Go there become minus. And sini negative 4. Tulis negative 4. Plus 12. Come here become negative 12. So 6 minus 2, 4x. Negative 4 minus 12, negative 16. 4 and x times. Come here, divide. So x, negative 16 over 4, x equals to negative 4. That's all. Let's find x. When you see a fraction here and you see a fraction there, what to do? We need to do cross multiplication. Cross means this one times here, this one times here. So 2, 3x minus 4 equals to 3x plus 3. This is how we solve it. Then we break the bracket. 2 times 3, 6x. 2 times negative 4, negative 8. Here also break the bracket. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 3, positive 9. Then look, as usual, which is the bigger x? 6x is big. This we send here. Here we want x, the number goes there. 6x, positive 3x, come here, negative 3x. Positive 9, negative 8 goes there, positive 8. 6 minus 3, 3x. 9 plus 8, 17. 3 and x times. Go there, become divide. X equals to 17 over 3. That's all.